I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Roel Vestjens. He is President and CEO at Belden. Roel, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me on the floor today.
I very much appreciate the opportunity.
Thank you. Well, Roel, why don't we start off? Talk to me about the company. What do you do?
So our purpose is to provide the foundation for a digital world. So we provide digitization and signal transmission solutions for three different markets. Mainly the industrial automation space, so that's a little over half of Belden's revenue, and broadband and 5G, and a segment that we call smart buildings.
Okay, so talk to me about the secular drivers of your business. What are they?
Yeah, so we feel really good about the portfolio, and we feel really good about the secular growth drivers. So within the industrial automation space, it's mainly driven by reducing dependency on labor, right? So with labor rates being increasing, they only go one way, increasing, companies feel the need to automate more. Now, the second reason is, for example, safety or quality, consistent quality, but there's a increased need for automating the factory floor. On top of that, what we're seeing is a lot of companies reshoring. So additional manufacturing capacity being built here in the United States as well as in Western Europe. So those are big drivers. On the broadband and 5G side, it's the ever-increasing consumption of data that we all have with our devices, mobile devices more and more. So that's a big driver that we don't think is going to go away. We don't think we're going to stop consuming data. And on the smart building side, it's also digitization. So buildings becoming smarter, systems becoming more connected with each other, and providing a better experience. So we play in the data center space, hospitals, and government buildings, for example.
Okay, so now it's my understanding that your stock has been performing pretty well. Why don't you talk to me about that?
Yeah, we're doing okay, although we're still undervalued. I know that every CEO says that, but we are. Our multiple right now is about 9 times EBITDA. So I think the market is learning that we have moved successfully from being a component supplier to a solutions provider. And that shift really started about 3 years ago, 3-4 years ago, and we're seeing very good results, and as a result, have very high levels of organic growth. And I think the market is realizing that. That's what I think is happening, but like I said, we're still undervalued.
Okay, all right. Well, Roel, it's wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me on Floor Talk today.
I really appreciate it, thank you.